Ki nongialam Jong ka youth wing Jong ka BGP ABVP ha ka Tarik Risaw kila pynbna paidbah bakin Pynlong ka 8 state conference hapoh ka Jylla ka Lai Sngi kynthih kata ka sdang naduh ka Tarik haduh ka Tarik Risaw ka badairu ka sein ka nynkong ban Pynlong nongbah Shillong bat on Pynlong ha Aurobindo hall Tangku N Marak state secretary ka ABVP Meghalaya ulong bakin dan haduh sanspa ngut ki delegates ki ban shim bynta na ki pratali ki Jylla Jong ni kathan kinongialam barang ba Jong ke ABVP kinwan ban shim bynta hakani ke jingalang Tangku N Marak ulo ongru bakani ke confrence kanwan ra ke jingminto ya ki Samla haki babon kilang
This is our 8-step conference law. For 8-step conference of ABVP Meghalaya. Yes, a step of today press conference regarding the 8-step conference which is going to be held in Shillong. So ABVP Meghalaya is going to conduct this 8-step conference which has been scheduled for 25, 26 and 27 of October 2024. This state conference will held in Shillong at Aurobindo and in this state conference 500 delegates from various districts and various places will be present, and other senior ABVP members in Kata will be present from the different districts of Meghalaya. So this is going to be one of the biggest state conference which we are going to organize for the first time in Meghalaya. And for this state conference, the preparation is on underway, and we have already set up the committees for the state conference, and also we have already divided the department, and also we have already given the interest for those departments which have we already created, so that we can run the program smoothly. And in this conference, students from the different schools, colleges, and national institutions will be present from across the state. As I have already mentioned that this state conference will start from the 25th of October to 27th of October. So in this conference, there will be a various session, and in every session there will be a different guest and chief guest. And on the first day of the conference, we will be having a 3 session. And our conference will start with the flag hosting of ABVP. And also on that day, we'll be having an election for the upcoming program. And we'll be giving a new responsibility for the new members, and especially for the post of State Secretary, State Director, Student Award for the purpose, the same program which we used to conduct every year. So this program also we have conducted in the name of Freedom Fighter Nongbah. And also in Garo Hills, we have already conducted this program, so I don't want to explain more on this. And again, on this third point, we are having a membership right now, because we all know that ABVP is a floating population student organization. That is why ABVP used to do the membership drive and across the nations and across the state. So ABVP Meghalaya also having a membership drive since 19 August 2024, and it's still going on and still continuing now also. This year our target, the membership target is 22,000, and to achieve this target, our members, delegated members and Tarik of ABVP Shillong unit, and also the ABVP members from the Meghalaya are working very hardly to achieve this target, and I hope we will achieve this, our target, with our effort and hard work. And fourthly, I just want to mention about the general knowledge test that we are conducting across the state. This is one of the very important programs that we have initiated in the state of Meghalaya. ABVP Meghalaya since 2016 started this program in the school level, college level, and